So today I thought I would film an Easter makeup tutorial for you guys. So to be honest with you, I don't have a specific plan, but I do know that I'm going to be using the Revolution Roxy palette. And it has tons of like pastel Eastery colors. So I think I should be able to create something really cute. Tried to say cute and cool at the same time. But let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is put on the Professional Primer by Benefit. And I'm just going to be using the palette mirror because I don't have another mirror in here. I'm just going to start with like dotting that around my face. And I'm just going to rub it in. My nose piercing is finally at the point that I can put makeup over it, which makes me super happy. I've been trying to like do my makeup around it up until now, so if you notice that my nose looks super dry, it's because I couldn't use any moisturizers or anything on the piercing. So I'm just starting to like re-moisturize. Next up, I'm going to take my Beauty Blender, which I'm sorry looks super dirty. I probably should have tried to clean it. And then I'm going to take my Makeup Forever foundation, and this is in Y205. I'm pretty sure it's one of the lightest shades you can get. So then I'm just going to take that and dot it around my face. Then I'm going to start blending it in by just kind of like dabbing it. One tip about the Beauty Blender that I did not know when I first tried to use it is it needs to be damp. I actually hated the Beauty Blender when I first started it. And then I found out by watching Colleen Ballinger actually that you're supposed to get it damp. And it works so good when you do it right. So now I'm just blending everything. I still have to be gentle around the nose piercing, but I can put makeup over it now. So once that's done, I'm going to be taking my NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer, and then I'm just going to put it on any spots and under my eyes. If you notice that my skin is breaking out any, I apologize if I'm bad at covering that. I don't want this to sound like bad, but like I don't normally get breakouts, but I do get them when I'm like stressing out. So yeah, with all this quarantine stuff and everything, a little bit stressed. And we just got a stay home order here, so only Andrew is allowed to work because his jobs are essential. So that's why I'm taking the time to clean the house, work on some makeup and fashion videos, stuff like that, things I haven't had time to do in a while. So if you guys notice I have like the same nails in like upcoming videos and stuff and things like that, it's because I'm filming a bunch on the same days. Next up, I'm going to take the e.l.f. eyelid primer and just put that on my eyelids. And then I'm just going to rub it in. Just using my fingers for that. So now on to the eyes. I think this is a Moda M19. So I'm going to take this brush and I think I'm going to go with, I can't decide. I think I'm going to go with Princess on the eyelid. So I'm going to take that and just start putting it on my eyelid. It's like a sparkly peach color. I'm just going to put that all over my eyelid. You can blend this or like build this as much as you would like. Next up, I'm going to take an Elizabeth Mott blending brush and I'm going to take the color Peaches and I'm going to use that to blend. So I'm just going to use it on the outer area to blend out. I'm trying to make sure that my colors kind of blend together. I'm actually going to take my finger and blend that line where the colors are meeting. So once I've got this part done, I'm actually going to take I don't know what this is, but I'm going to take a smudger brush, and I think I'm going to take the color lavender right here and go under my eyes halfway with lavender. So we're just doing lavender under the eyes. And then I'm going to take, next up, just a little bit of dinosaur and just put it like right in the middle. It's not a super dark color, so it won't be like overwhelming. I'm just kind of going over some of that lavender with it. And then I'm going to take Blue Lagoon and go to the inner corner. So after I've done that, I'm going to take this Luxie brush. I don't know what number it is, but it's like a kind of a tapered brush. And I'm going to take Constellations, and I'm going to use that under my brow bone, or on my brow bone. And I'm also going to put it in the inner corners. So once I've done that, next up I'm going to actually do my powder on my face. I'm using the IT by Pores pressed powder. I can't really tilt it to show it to you guys too much because I don't know if you can see that, but it's super broken. I have a new one, but I want to finish using this one up first. So I'm just going to take that and put it all over my face. The reason that I've waited until after the eyeshadow is to catch fallout. So that way it'll just kind of get wiped away. So after I've done that, next up I'm going to take my Rimmel London Natural Bronzer. It's in the color 021 Sunlight. And I'm going to take a Real Techniques brush and I'm just going to use that to put it on. Okay, so after we've done our bronzer, I'm going to take the Benefit High Beam Highlighter. And it's in, I don't know if it really says what color, but you can see it's like a light pinky color. So I'm just going to take that and put it in a couple places on my face. And then I'm actually just going to use my fingers to blend this. Kind of just going to dab it. You want to make sure this is well blended. You want to make sure all your makeup is well blended, but I just hate seeing highlighter lines and other lines like that. So after that, next up is my eyelashes and eyebrows. So I'm going to be using the Benefit Give Me Good Face in number 3. I'm going to take that and run it through my brows. I kind of just use it to try and fill in any sparse areas, darken them up if I've gotten any makeup on them, stuff like that. So once I've done my brows, then I'm going to do my mascara. So I'm not doing any eyeliner. If you guys have watched some of my previous videos, I'm not a huge fan of using eyeliner. I'm not amazing at it. And I just kind of like to keep my looks, I don't know, like, I don't want to say cleaner, but I just don't like eyeliner. So I'm going to be taking the Extension Plus Curl from Marcel and use that on my eyelashes. I'm going to use it on the tops and the bottom. If you do what I just did and get any on your makeup or face, I recommend using a Q-tip. I do not have any in here, so I'm just going to kind of try and use my finger to rub that off. Probably should have brought some in here. But there's that. And now for lips, I'm going to use the NYX Whipped Fiat. I don't really know. It's in Pink Cloud. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'm going to use that on my lips. It's just a nice pinky color. And it smells amazing. It reminds me of like icing. So just put that all over my lips. And this, you guys, is the finished look. I wanted to do something that would be kind of colorful but wearable, which is why I went with the peach and then did some colors under the eyes instead of all over the eyelid. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this. Let me know what you think of this look and if you enjoy videos like this. And I'll see you guys later. Bye guys!